Welcome to the TLP first birthday collaboration, and I'm going to do a sunset ocean bloom. So half part of it is going to be sunset, half part of it is going to be water, and I wanted to tell you guys that my favorite piggy is mermaid. That's mermaid, and I love that one, and of course I'm using that today. This is 18-inch round, and I primed it and I sanded it down, and I am adding this pillow from Color Place Walmart. So first half I'm going to do water. I'm going to lay my colors in half puddles. This is golden teal. Lay that down. Then I'm going to add my favorite piggy, mermaid, which looks like that, mixed in pouring medium, and just gonna add that like that, and then I'm going to add some sea glass. Just this nice shade of greenish blue or green, I would say. Sequins, which is I believe iridescent violet, and then is Pinot Gris, which is iridescent green, phthalo blue with some taffy, and then is phthalo turquoise from golden. Okay, and I'm going to move that a little down because the upper half is gonna be the sunset colors. So first I'm going to start with mango and start laying it down like that. I don't need to go as far because it's gonna move on its own when I add colors, but just trying. That's mango. Then is submarine. And then is some crimson from Nutrijet or whatever the brand is. It's a tongue twister. Then is Matisse quinacridone magenta, followed by some Diox purple from golden, and on this water part I'm just going to add some black because it will give some definition to water, to these blues. Okay, now want to make sure it's in the middle, and add some more. Let's just add white selectivity That's a lot of color, but we need that in case it does not stretch out. I might have a little more selectivator than we need, but we'll see that. I'm just trying to modify the parts that didn't work. Now I wanted to show you guys the test piece that turned out beautiful too. But here you see I laid the sunset colors first, and I realized that the colors that I'm going to put down first are going to be covering a bit less part of the piece, because of which in my real piece I added water first and then the sunset, because I wanted a little bit equal part of sunset. And these are more or less similar colors added in different fashion. I added TLP comet in the sunset too here, and you guys can see how both of these pieces look. I have a lot of negative space here, because of which I did another one.